How to use DoorDash Pass. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use DoorDash Pass. To use DoorDash Pass, you want to follow these steps. First thing first, you want to log into your DoorDash account. After you're logged into your DoorDash account, you just need to follow this on-screen instructions. So to use your DoorDash Pass, you must first be a subscriber and then place an order from an eligible merchant that meets the subtotal minimum. So the benefit, which includes $0 delivery fee and reduce the service fee, which automatically applies at checkout. So to sign up for a DoorDash Pass, the monthly subscription costs about $9.99, or you can opt for an annual plan at a reduced rate as well. Now you just need to tap on the accounts icon and then select go $0 delivery fee with DashPass. Then log in and click on or tap on the account section and choose for a get free deliveries. Look for promotions, and this way you'll be able to use DoorDash Pass. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.